So far I've been exploring Zadar Old Town for a couple of hours, and I have to say it's not like every other old town I've been to. Something that's very unusual about it, as you can see over my shoulder, is you've got Roman ruins just mixed in with the rest of the pretty modern city. As soon as you look over this way, you've got the Pillar of Shame, which apparently Christians used to use back in the day to chain people to it, humiliate them, maybe even beat them and torture them on this thing. And then behind we have the tower that's with the Church of St. Donatus. How fucking strange is it that you could just be living over there in that apartment and you just have like Roman columns. Straight ahead of me is Roman Forum, and this is where a lot of the Roman ruins are. See, back in the World War times, Zadar was actually part of Italy, but way before that it was settled by the Romans during the Byzantine era and stuff. There were things built here, so now a lot of the remains of this place date like more than 2,000 years old. It's pretty spectacular to think that it's literally probably the oldest inhabited city in Croatia and probably one of the oldest in Europe, you know? Pretty spectacular. You just have it right by the seafront. I mean, no wonder they picked this location. If you look at the level of detail that's still remaining, keeping in mind some of these things are close to like 2,000 years old, there's not much you can make of these things. Like when you see them, like I know they're old. For some reason now when we see them, especially if you explored a bit of Europe, I guess maybe we just feel a little bit jaded. So let's just try and take in these surroundings. Let's just try and absorb it. This is known as the 5 Wells Square for the main reason that there's 5 wells and they're really old. I think they're like 16th century, ornately decorated wells. To be honest, if you can't throw naughty kids in them, I don't really see the point right now, but yeah, they're nice. It's got some good pulleys and shit on it. We're gonna go up and check out this park. It says Zabranjen Prilas. I think it means don't you fucking dare come inside. Oh, there's a nice fountain, look. I guess this is where budget travellers come to just neck some canned beers instead of going into the pubs and bars. Although pubs and bars are not bad price here, but I think this is where you come to get fucked. I have a slight feeling it's not very historic. It doesn't really look ancient. Neither does Ledana Lounge and Bar. See what's going on. I don't know what's with the fake grass though, look. They got like fucking fake AstroTurf for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about. You know what's going to happen next? Someone's going to offer me drugs. Because it's always what happens. For some reason, you come into a park in Europe, someone's either shooting up heroin or they're trying to get you shot full of heroin. What's down there? Please don't tell me people paying in there to see fake dinosaurs. I mean, even if you're taking a kid, I expect that shit to be free. Up here looks like some kind of bar. So far it's not the most exciting park. But it's good because it's shady, so I'll give it that. Shade is good right now because the sun is getting high. Not literally, like the sun's not toking on a zoo, but the sun's getting high and it's getting more difficult. I think we should climb that. Looks like there's some kind of cool viewpoint at the top. That's literally it. Some people chilling there. I don't want to disturb them when the tatties are out. We jumped down from there and we ended up in no man's land, literally. There's like no way to get down, no way to get back up. I think I'm stuck. Can I go that way? Yeah, we can go that way. Let's fucking go. Let's do it. You know, we're just coming out of nowhere, mate. Let's jump this one. Alright, do you know what? The urge has got too great. Let's open his fucking Pokemon cards now. I need to see what we got, broski. Alright, I feel like this is going to be the best view, because if you can see my face, you're not going to be able to see the cards. So I think we're going to open Gyarados. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We paid €2 for this. In the UK it'll probably be a lot more. I'm excited. Do you know when's the last time I opened a pack of Pokemon cards? Probably 20 years ago. Let's flip them over and have a look. No way. They're actually old school cards. Straight away got a fucking Kangaskhan shiny. That's sick. Is it real though? I don't know. We got a Caterpie. I don't know, the font's different. We got Fat Pikachu, always good. We got Weedle, probably the worst card of all time. We got a Graveler. Graveler's also strong. And we got fucking Charmeleon. Yo, they're making money with these cards. Pretty sick. Definitely not real, but a thrill nonetheless. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but at least we verified they're not real. I'm definitely bringing them back. They're gonna be a souvenir. Anyway, let's go back down to the old town. I'm not gonna lie, the eyes look demonic as fuck. I think they just look weird because their noses got broken off. To be honest though, face is still pretty fucked up. Alright, I think we should get out of this park now. Considering the sun's gonna go down, one thing that Zadar has that's really cool, which I haven't even seen yet, even though I spent a whole day here today so far, there's a couple of cool things on the waterfront. Little artistic installations, little features that they've made. We're gonna go and check them out. At the moment, it's a little bit lonely. Alright guys, we're going to one of the most popular bits of Zadar, the sea organ, which is a musical installation using holes bored into the steps, bored into the concrete. When the waves pass underneath, it makes this interesting sounds. And right next to it, just around the edge of the dock, is another feature, which is I think called the Greeting of the Sun or something, made by the same person, and basically it all lights up at night. So when it gets to sunset, you get some crazy scene like this, like fucking hundreds of people. You know what I don't understand about today's people, especially as explorers? The sunset doesn't last long, right? People spend most of the last moments watching the sun go down, just trying to take a picture. And it's one they're probably never going to look at again. Other than maybe to send it to someone, they're probably never going to look at that picture again. I think what people today are forgetting, you should just take in the moment while it's there. It's probably one of the best sunsets I've ever seen. For a lot of people, it just gets reduced to one photo. And now, this behind us, this really shiny panel, which I think is Greeting to the Sun. Let me quickly look up what it's called. Greeting to the Sun, yeah, that's what they call it. Why is everyone clapping? A flight hasn't just landed. So this installation, Greeting to the Sun, is basically loads of solar panels on tiles. Not that I've seen it yet, it's gonna be the first night I see it. But it's like solar panel powered lights. And as soon as the sunset has occurred, I think it should light up. Let's try and see if this thing turns on. I want to see what it looks like. let's go and try and find out if we can rent a motorbike from tomorrow. So we're gonna go and find this place called Sick Motos. Maybe it's open, maybe we can rent something and then we can get around a little bit easier. But so far it seems that Zadar is not really that big, but if we don't want to spend all the time here on the water, then we definitely have to get out of the city and we have to do more. So I think if we have some transport, it's going to be much better. So if I have like a motorbike, I think we're going to go like way further. So let's see what they say and what availability they've got. And maybe just maybe we can take one from tomorrow. To be honest, it doesn't seem to be mega busy with tourists at the moment. I feel like they're coming next week or something like that. I don't know. So maybe we're going to be alright. Maybe we're going to find some. I think it's just straight up this road. Alright, classic. The place that we rent a motorbike from is in the ghetto. It looks like we're in the ghetto now. There's a fucking rock hostel and I didn't even know. Look. They got a fucking rock hostel. I need to find out where the rock bar is. So yeah, we're nearly at the motorbike rental place. We're definitely in a bit of the ghetto, but I think that's good. I think that's a good sign. Why is there a fucking boat there? It's a fucking canoe. You know what I'm saying about having Bulgaria vibes? Some bits look abandoned. They haven't been touched for fucking decades, mate. Don't smell that good here. This is where the bike place is, I think. Let's keep looking. Oh shit, there's loads of bikes there. Let's consult the maps real quick. It says it's behind me. I think it's where those bikes are parked. Let's go and see if they're open. Alright guys, another day in Croatia. Things are a little bit different this time. I spent a day in Zadar, and nothing against Zadar. Zadar's cool, but I felt the need to go and explore further out. I was getting itchy feet. So I decided to rent a motorbike. So now we've got 2 wheels, we can cover ground much quicker. This city you see behind us is where I've been staying for the last night. It's called Sibenik. It's on the coast and it's beautiful. Guys, I had to stop for a minute. I need to show you something sick. Hang on. Quick. Check this out. I think I've found the most scenic bus stop in the world to prove that Croatia is just on a different planet. Look at this bus stop where it's located. Here's the bus stop. While you wait for the bus. Oh my god. Do you see the colour of that water? Amazing. Amazing. Oh, the bus is here. It arrives. Amazing. This is the best bus stop ever. Let's see if someone gets off. That's sick. Can't believe there's a bus stop. There's a bus stop by the beach, man. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. The best bus stop in the world. Now we're gonna try and run across the road and not die. Fucking gorgeous. Fucking incredible. Oh fuck, almost fell. Alright. Onwards we go.